I love it. Okay, here we go. We got a cop right in front of us. I don't know how the audio sounds with my mouth right behind it. But this will be fun. I don't know if the cop's gonna say anything. I don't think that's a ticket to have a camera on your car. So, what's up? What up, sir? All right, we're safe. Take this at 60? Absolutely. Take off 2 seconds, take off 2 seconds, take off 2 seconds. Take off 2 seconds, at least 2 seconds. It's so much more confidence inspiring to drive during the day. Like, oh my God.